Cushion the crisis was the call from opposition leader Mark Golding. This as he delivered his budget reply in the House of Representatives on Tuesday. Mr. Golding noted that in the upcoming fiscal year, the government is set to collect $99 billion more in taxes, but only plans on spending $2.75 billion to help the poor and reduce fuel prices.
At this time, reality demands that the government cushion the crisis and gives our people some ease from the heavy burdens. There is nothing in this budget that will give protection to the people who need it most. The government has not protected the people from what they will be facing. The government has no meaningful provisions to protect them from the onslaught of higher prices that are coming. We demand that more be done to ease the burdens on the Jamaican people.
Mr. Golding said Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, who opened the budget debate in Parliament on March 8, missed a great opportunity to ease Jamaicans who are suffering from the shocks of the coronavirus pandemic and increased cost of living, partly fueled by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. He warned the government against being too fiscally conservative and implored them to do more.
I would support additional expenditures of up to 2% of GDP to address the critical needs facing the society. That's about $40 billion. It is time to focus on helping our people. It is not the time for excessive fiscal conservatism. The government is playing with fire by leaving vulnerable populations unprotected in this vortex of high inflation and the unbearable cost of living. With real GDP growth of 3.5% projected for the coming fiscal year, this expenditure that I am proposing would not worsen the debt to GDP ratio. On the other hand, it would also begin the process of addressing some of the major social deficits that cause our low national productivity and our dire problem of violent crime.